Not sure which email is linked to your Nintendo Switch? Or maybe you just want to double check your account info before buying something on the eShop? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check which email ID is linked to your Nintendo account. So let's get started. First, tap on your user account from the home page. Now from the left menu, scroll down and tap on User Settings. Here you can see the Check Your Account Information option. Now tap on Check using this system. Wait until it's completely loading. Then tap on View Email Address. Now a QR code will pop up. Head to your mobile phone, scan it with your mobile camera, and tap on the link that shows up on your screen. Now just type your account password, then tap OK, and now you can check which email is linked with your account. So that's how you can check which email is linked with your Nintendo Switch. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.